People often associate Roman remains in the UK with the centre of historic cities like Chester and York. So you might imagine that here in rural North Wales that there wouldn't be so many, but in fact the Roman Empire was absolutely determined to extend its complete control across the whole of the southern part of this island. So it built a network of roads and forts extending everywhere in Wales and England, including Eryri. This is the Roman auxiliary fort of Tomen y Mur near Trawsfynydd, which stands at the junction of 4 Roman roads heading in the direction of Capel Curig, Bryn Cyr, Dolgella and Llanuwchlyn. You can clearly see the walls of the Roman fort. You can see the remains of a medieval motte castle in the middle. There are also remains of a bathhouse and an amphitheatre.